How to view post analytics on Tumblr. First of all, open your browser and go to your Tumblr blog URL. Next, open Google Analytics and sign in with your Google account. Once you are in Google Analytics, click on Admin at the bottom left. Under the account column, select or create a new account. In the property column, click Create Property. Enter your Tumblr blog name and paste your Tumblr blog URL, but remove the HTTP or HTTPS part. Choose your industry category and select your country, then click Create. Now you will get your Google Analytics tracking code. Copy this tracking code. Next, go back to your Tumblr dashboard and click on your profile icon. Tap the Edit Appearance or Edit Theme option. Look for Edit HTML to open your blog's HTML editor. Find the head section in the HTML code. Paste the Google Analytics tracking code right before the closing head tag. Save your changes. Now your Tumblr blog is connected to Google Analytics. To verify, go back to Google Analytics and check the real-time reports while visiting your blog. You will see live visitor data and know your tracking is working perfectly. Now you know how to view post analytics on Tumblr. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.